What's up guys, Pixel Sasuke here. Here with another Minecraft Prison video. So today we're opening 37 card keys. This is the part 2 of the card keys. So let's hope we get the rank. Today we also have some rerolls. So we should be good. We should at least get the rank. Or hopefully we get. So let's go open some keys. We have this time 7 more card keys. And today we have rerolls so we get double the prices. Let's go. This is our first key. What do we get? We get butter, beer, auto miner, don't care. Let's keep going. We get some tokens are too easy to get, so it's kind of pointless. Let's keep going. Like as you see guys, we get 2 times the same key. It's because we have rerolls. But it doesn't. We got the most useless Pokemon booster ever. Let's keep going. Key finder gem, don't need that. We have no luck. Oh yes, what is it? Please something good, please something good. Oh no, we only got player voids. No luck. Let's keep going. Oh, I actually do want that. Now I have complete set. Yeah. Let's keep going. Anything good? Another token booster, don't need that. Let's skip it. And we still got the token booster. God key. Come on, give us something that we can actually use. Chest, please. 30 left. Oh, nice EXP. That's 2 I want. Yep, that's good. Let's keep going. Tokens again. Don't need that. $28 left. Tokens. Tokens again. Fly command. But this is the most useless thing. It gives us this a lot, but yeah. It gives a lot of it, but you only need 1. And we got fly command. I don't need that. Don't need it. I need a rank. Rank is nowhere to be seen so far. Again, this thing, don't need it. Nothing good. Let's keep this. $20,000 tokens, don't care. Tokens again. No luck today either, it seems. Key finder gem, don't need it. No luck today either, it seems. We didn't even get the book. Key finder gem again. More tokens. Both party collector, don't need it. Boom. Nothing. Let's do a little speed opening. Poof. Poof. Oh, we got the book. Oh my god, we got the book. Please work, please. Yeah, we got the book. We got the book. The book. Yeah. Let's do a speed opening. Boom, boom. Yeah. And we got the book. And this got the book. I'm gonna give it to someone. Anyway, guys, this was a short video opening, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more opening videos, just leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. Peace out.